The maintenance required light on your Toyota Tacoma is one of the most misunderstood dashboard indicators. Many drivers panic when they see this light, thinking something is seriously wrong with their vehicle. However, the maintenance required light is actually a helpful service reminder, not a malfunction indicator. It's designed to help you keep track of routine maintenance intervals. This light typically activates every 5,000 miles to remind you that it's time for routine maintenance, such as an oil change. The system is purely mileage-based and doesn't actually monitor your oil condition. It's crucial to understand that the maintenance required light is completely separate from the check engine light. The check engine light indicates potential mechanical problems, while the maintenance light is simply a scheduled reminder. After completing your maintenance service, you must manually reset the maintenance required light. The system won't automatically turn off just because you've changed your oil or performed other services. Understanding this light helps you maintain your Tacoma properly and avoid unnecessary worry. Remember, it's a helpful reminder, not a cause for panic. In the next section, we'll show you exactly how to reset this light after your service is complete. The reset procedure varies depending on your Tacoma's generation. There are three main methods corresponding to different model years. For 2005 to 2015 Tacoma models, you'll use the traditional button method. This involves the trip meter reset button on your dashboard. Step 1. Turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Step 2. Set your odometer display to trip A reading. Step 3. Turn the ignition off completely. Step 4. Hold the trip meter reset button while turning the ignition back to on. Step 5. Continue holding the button until the maintenance light turns off, which takes about 10 to 15 seconds. For 2016 to 2023 Tacoma models, the process is much simpler using the steering wheel controls and dashboard display. First, turn the ignition to on. Then use the steering wheel controls to navigate to the maintenance menu in your dashboard display. Select Oil Maintenance from the menu options, then choose Reset and confirm your selection. The system will reset the maintenance reminder. For 2024 and newer Tacoma models, most use the touchscreen interface. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, then Maintenance, and select Oil Life Reset. Some 2024 models may also retain the traditional button method as a backup option. Always consult your owner's manual for your specific model's procedure.